What's up, YouTube? This is another update. Actually about our trades and our setups that we actually had in the last week, and I'm here to discuss with you guys about our trade ideas and everything that we've set up, because I've received a lot of emails and a lot of calls about people who's thinking about trading, and who's and they have other people telling them, well, I heard this, well, I heard that. And I'm like, listen, if your friend heard something and your friend heard something about trading, like I said before, I cannot tell you what to do, to listen to me, not to listen to your friend. Me personally, in the last week, because I received several other emails like 2 3 weeks ago in reference to my trades, and are they really happening, can you give us a heads up? So I've been posting on my Facebook before they happen. A lot of people who look at my Facebook, they know who they are, they get the heads up. Sometimes they make money if they take those trades. But at the end of the day, my biggest issue right now is actually talking to you guys about stop listening to people, because I know it's hard to comprehend that there is this kind of money being made. I'm not saying it's easy, because you have to go through a whole process of learning what's what, how to move. After a while, you get a feeling for the markets. I used to hear people say that before, but I was so stuck into my technical ways of trading. I didn't apply people's emotions, feelings, catalysts of the news, and a whole other barometers of things that you mix into a stock price that cause the stock to go up and down. All right, this is the bread and butter of trading. Not it's not just the charts. The charts, if you're a technical trader, then be a technical trader. Because me, I've been a technical trader for a long time now. So all my charts have technical data on them. So if my technical charts are telling me one thing, the news is saying one thing, guess who I'm gonna go with? I'm gonna go with the technical data. I don't care. The catalyst of the news can only last but so long. So you have to go with what's on your charts. All right. Besides that, you have to know what's going on around you. Those of you guys who shop at Target, you shop at Walmart, you guys shop at Gap, you shop at Sears, you shop at Macy's. Okay, all these places you guys shop. All right. I guarantee you, none of you guys got. A lot of you guys, better, I shouldn't say none. A lot of you guys don't have any vested interest in any of these companies. All right. I'm personally, familiar with the people in the construction business, in the finance, and I know a lot of people that go to Home Depot. They don't have shares, they don't have stock, they don't have nothing in Home Depot. But every day you constantly are in Home Depot, you're spending $600, $700, $800 a day on material alone. Shouldn't Home Depot also be working for you, since you're spending so much money with Home Depot? And I'm not done with Home Depot, because some of you guys who are buying these expensive ass Jordans, I'm not saying you shouldn't, but after 2 3 pairs, I think you should take the money for the third, fourth pair, invest in Nike. You love Nike so much, you buy their shoes, why not invest in Nikes? I'm just saying things that are common sense to a certain class of people in this country. And I'm not going to go into white, black, Chinese, green, Martian, because it's not relevant, because people who are making money, they're a community who make money, and they're all races, all background, all colors. It's not a black, white, yellow, Chinese. It's everybody in this community who are making money. They make money with each other. Australian, German, doesn't make a difference. In this business, we all know one thing: green. Okay, that's all we know, right? So for those of you guys who are stuck in your 9 to 5 ways, and what I'm saying, who have to do it right now, and a lot of you single mothers, okay, those are you guys who I am really trying to get at right now, because some of you guys, yes, you need another way out, and yes, I can provide that way out if you work with me. Investors, same thing. All right, today, for the last week, all right, I've put on live my trades before they happen, when I purchase the stock, when I sold the stocks that I'm still holding, positions that I still got, positions that I trimmed down, positions that I told some of you guys who are following me to take profits off the table. Okay, those of you who traded iBio on Friday 10 a.m. at 69 cents, 62 cents, I got in at 69, even though I sent the tweet at 62, but I like to wait a little bit, but I still made money. All right, and a lot of people made at least over a couple of $100 in iBio, ticker symbol IBIO. Okay, all right. Twitter was my big home run last week. I had a few home runs. Halliburton, when they said, "Oh, oil price is gonna go to $20," blah blah blah. Halliburton. Okay, so I don't need to go into all the stocks that I've traded. I've posted the videos, and like I said, this video is mostly for the people who are, you know, a little skeptical of what's going on. And like I said, me, when I got involved in this, you know, I was skeptical, but I know what I know. I know what I saw when I was doing real estate. I know there was guys making this kind of money. I know there are guys who was doing real estate who never saw the money I saw in real estate. Okay, but like I said, these things happened years ago. We are now, the markets are not the same. Things are changing. So my thing is, you got to position yourself to make some money. And at this point in time, there's a lot of people out there who, like I said, who are skeptical. You know, the biggest skeptic I was of was what did the news say? I remember watching the news one time, and they you know, they briefly said something about the top hedge fund managers earn an average, I think it was $35 million a year. They said that as a bonus. Their bonus was $35 million a year. The number could have been 25, even if it was $10 million. If you got a $10 million bonus, okay, why are you not disclosing? Okay, what, like, you know, most people are not even asking. If this guy made 25 million, 10 million, 35 million as a bonus, what did he really make as an income last year? And I did my research, and a lot of these questions, when it comes to hedge fund managers, they're just unknown. And if you check the top earners in this country, it's them guys. Top CEOs, it's them guys. So me, I'm not trying to be anything that I'm not right now. I just see the potential in the markets, and I've been saying that for the last 3 years. It's just to the point where I've taken off on my own. So those of you guys who are watching my video, who want to get involved, I already told you guys already. Give me a call, send me an email, as usual. Okay, the number 3, the letter D, consult me at Gmail. And for the rest of you guys who are still sitting there wondering, what am I gonna do? Is he really doing this? How can I get involved? Can I open my own account? Listen, my friend, there are a million stock companies that offer different accounts, different perks. You know, you got Scottrade, you got Ameritrade, TD Ameritrade, you got Merrill Lynch, you got E-Trade. You know, you have a bunch of companies, Ninja Traders. You have a bunch of guys, you know, who have platform, but you got a bunch of traders who are successful. If you ask each one of them what works for them, I guarantee you put 10 of them in a room, they all will have a different, you know, system that works for them. Okay, and that's why I tell people, you can't come and copy what I'm doing, right? You have to learn from me and then develop your own system, your own way of trading, your own ways of kind of feeling the overall market. You see this right here? This is the overall market mixed with right here with this screen in front of me. All right, this is the overall markets right here. Right, this is it. This is all I watch. You know, I have other stocks that I watch, but mostly my screens is here. You know what I'm saying? I got my spiders, I got my ticks, I got the ES, I got, you know what I mean, the silver, gold, the oil, you know what I mean, QQQ, diamonds, SPX. You know, I'm watching the markets. You know, I'm constantly watching the markets. And like I said, it's almost 12 a.m. February 17th. Where am I at right now? Still doing work. All right, my work was done at 10 a.m. this morning. I told you, 10 a.m. this morning I was done. Look where I'm at right now, watching the price action. All right, so stop playing around. Those of you who are serious, stop listening to people. The only way you're gonna know for sure if you try things on hands-on, your own experience, that's what I can tell you. All right, I'm not here to tell you not to do this, not to listen to me, listen to your friend. If you're interested, you know my email as usual is the number 3, the letter D, consult me at Gmail. Investors, some of you guys have spoken to me, some of you guys I am going to be working with pretty soon, and thank you for that. And you know, the rest of you guys, you know, give me a call. All right, I am independent right now. You know what, I've retired from, you know, that labor workforce. So, you know, if you want to get money, you want to make money, you're an investor, you want to get those 10 to 30%, 40% returns, you know, call me, work with me, send me an email, the number 3, the letter D, consult me at Gmail. Peace.